my beautiful family? We back with another video. I'm sure you guys have already been seeing this video filter around the YouTube channels, but we back to show you a little mix up. My cousin asked us yo, you guys should do the Mentos and Coke challenge. Yeah. So we're out here comparing the Diet Coke and the Coke. What explosion is bigger? Yes. We're gonna try and contain it. Yes. So whatever happens, happens. What we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be putting the Mentos in our mouth and then pouring the soda in our mouth to see whatever explosion happens the fastest. So basically we just want to see whose explodes the most or the fastest or whatever. Whoever you think is going to explode the most or the fastest, comment down below. For Crystal, the Coke, or Rochelle, the Diet Coke. Let us know. I've never done this. I've never even done this at school or anything. And this is an old school experiment. Yeah. So we got a volcano from the mouth. So let's get it. Give this video a thumbs up right now. And if you are not already, make sure to subscribe and let's get it. Cheers. Yeah, let's try to put all of them in our mouth first and then drink it. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh, right? Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh my god! I was able to drink mine. Really? Yeah. Dude, mine was exploding. I know, right away. I was able to drink it. I was underwater, choking. Girl, I heard you. Okay, let's put him back in and just fucking try and drink. I love it. No. Oh my god, I'll literally choke if I do it. I'm able to drink mine. I have snot coming out my fucking nose. That has way more of a reaction than Coke. Yes. Alright, y'all. So, I don't even, if you guys could see, I have freaking snot coming down my damn nostrils right now. I don't know. I was able to chug this. I was trying to drink mine. I couldn't. Dude, that's crazy. Freaking Diet Coke. Alright, so whatever Diet Coke has in it clearly is way more challenging to take down. Yeah. It has way more of a chemical reaction to the Mentos. I hope y'all enjoyed. Let us know what you want to see next in our next challenges. Yep. Until next time, we will see you guys next time.